This is another flight with the Airbus, but I've got a quick question for you guys. So, with the Airbus, its engine, it's kind of getting old. Been flying it in pretty much all weather, and I'll play the noise for you, but it makes this weird noise, and I'm not sure if that's like the sound of like an upcoming engine blowout. And I'm actually gonna get some like real FPV stuff, like the headset, well, goggles, and camera, and all that stuff. And I don't want to be flying around and have an engine failure. That's only supposed to happen in real airplanes. Yeah, here's the sound, and like I'll play it a couple times. But if you guys know what it is, and like you can tell me, so like I don't know, that'd be kind of nice. Just leave a comment in the comments below, and yeah, I'll read it. But thanks, and until next time, see you guys later. Alright, so there's the grinding noise I was kind of talking about, but then it starts up, like once I close throttle and restart, it starts up really smooth. So, I don't know, but if you guys can just, let me know, it'd be great. So, here's the rest of the footage. I'm having problems with my onboard camera, so, like, I only got like 5 minutes of flight, but I was actually flying around for about 10 minutes. But, here's the footage.